world. Pick a place to go. We're on a roll. Pick a pup. Great, you're back. Adventure Bay, here we come. Mayor Goodway has a request. Where do you want to go? Here we go! Oh no! Chickaletta ran away again! Help Mayor Goodway find her! Almost there, pup! Find a few pup treats to win a prize! There it is! The more pups you add, the more prizes you'll win! Pick a plate, let's go! Look, it's Chickaletta! Awesome! Let's bring her back to Mayor Goodway. Thanks, pup! Mayor Goodway feels better with Chickaletta around. Tap as fast as you can. Dunk the other pup in the water to win. 3, 2, 1, go! Finish! It's Farmer Yumi. Choose someone to visit. We're on a roll. Looks like Bettina wandered off again. Can you find her? Good job! Let's head back to Yumi. Thanks again! Bettina sure loves wandering off. You did it! Pup-tacular! Paw Patrol, to the lookout! Thanks for hurrying, pups! The horn from the train scared Farmer Al's cows. They've run out into town and are wandering around. We need to help Farmer Al and get them back on the train before it leaves. Sky, I'll leave you to spot the cows from the air. All right! Paw Patrol is on a roll. Sky in camouflage. When you see a cow, tap on it. Watch closely for cows that are hiding. All right, Sky, let's find those cows for Farmer Al. There's a cow. Cow spotted. You got it. You found one. spotted! You got it! There's a cow! Cow spotted! You found one! You got it! You found one! Whoa! Watch out, Chickaletta! Great work, Sky! Farmer Owl will be so relieved! No job is too big, no pup is too small. Time for treats!